Welcome, dear students, for the first lecture in Basic Thermodynamics 18ME33. And as we had gone through the last video, we said that we are going to start with all the 9 chapters. So we'll start with the first chapter, that is fundamentals of thermodynamics, or fundamental concepts and definitions. So let us take up the first problem in this chapter. Let me read out the problem. A temperature scale of certain thermometer is given by a relation T is equal to A ln x plus B, where A and B are constants and x is the thermometric property of the fluid in a thermometer. If at ice and steam point the thermometric properties are found to be 1.5 and 7.5 respectively, what will be the temperature corresponding to a thermometric property of 3.5? So as I said, we are discussing the first chapter and the problems are on temperature scales. So let us write what are the things given in the problem and then let us proceed. So I'll write down the given things. Given temperature T is equal to A ln x plus B is the governing equation, and we know the two states, that is one is at ice point and another is steam point. So ice point is always 0 degree centigrade and steam point is always 100 degree centigrade. So let us write the equation for the above two cases, that is at ice point, that is what the value of x is given at ice point, the value of x is 1.5, that is when t is equal to 0, that is at ice point when t is equal to 0, x is 1.5. Similarly at steam point, when t is equal to 100, right, that is 100 degree centigrade, all these are 100 degree centigrade, 0 degree centigrade for ice point and steam point is 100 degree centigrade, x is 7.5. so we need to find out when x is equal to 3.5, what is the value of t. So we need to find out the value of t when x is equal to how much? 3.5. So now let us substitute these two values in the equation 1. So this is equation 1. So substituting the values of x, that is 1.5, when substituting the values of x, when t is equal to 0, that is at ice point. When I substitute this value, what I get? 0 will be equal to, so when I substitute the value, 0 will be equal to A ln x value is how much? X value is 1.5 plus B, right? Then when t is equal to 100, that is 100 degree centigrade, x is 7.5. if I substitute that, what do I get? 100 will be equal to A ln 7.5 plus B. So this is equation 2, this is equation 3. So I have substituted the values, that is when t is equal to 0, x is 1.5. I am substituting in the above equation, that is t is equal to A ln x plus B, and when t is equal to 100, I am substituting the value of x as 1.5. So what do I get? I get the equation as, for the first case, 0 will be equal to a ln 7. A ln 1.5 plus b, and 100 will be equal to a ln 7.5 plus b. So now what I can do is I can solve this simultaneous equation. So let me write down the two equations and then we will solve. That is 0 will be equal to a ln 1.5 plus b, and 100 will be equal to a ln 7.5 plus b. So now I will change the signs. So minus, minus, minus. So this term will get cancelled. That is b on the other side will get cancelled. So I'll get minus 100 will be equal to, right? So what I get? I'll get the equation as a ln 1.5 minus a ln 7.5. So minus 100 will be equal to a into bracket ln 1.5 minus ln 7.5. So a will be equal to, I can find out the value of a now. A will be equal to, right? So minus 100 divided by ln of 1.5 minus ln of 7.5. So please don't subtract ln 7.5 minus 1.5 and write it as 6. No. So a will be equal to, so when I substitute this value and solve, I will get the answer for a as 62.3. So a is 62.3. That is, now I can find out the value of b from the first equation. That is 0 will be equal to a ln 1.5 plus b. In this, if I substitute, 0 will be equal to 62.3 ln 1.5 plus b. So from this, find out the value of b. So b will be equal to minus 25.14145. So I have found out the value of a, right? Now I have found out the value of b. So upon finding out the value of a and b, right, substitute in the equation. That is, t will be equal to, right, I can write the value of a as 62.3 ln, I want to find for x as 3.5, that is 3.5 minus 25.45. So substitute this value in the equation. That is, I am substituting as a ln x minus plus b. So b value is minus 25.45, a value is 62.3. So when I substitute this value and x value as 3.5, I will get the value of t as 52.64 degree centigrade. So when x is 3.5, the value of T will be 52.64 degree centigrade. So let me repeat what we have done from the first case. Let me take again the problem, right? So it is a temperature scale when T is equal to A ln x plus B, right? The value of A and B are constant. X is a thermometric property. At ice point the value is 1.5 and steam point it is 7.5. So I have written the governing equation as T is equal to A ln x plus B, and at ice point, that is T is equal to 0, x is 1.5, and at steam point when T is equal to 100, x is 7.5. We need to find out the value of T when x is 3.5. So when I substitute the value for the first case, that is when T is equal to 0 degree centigrade, right? So the equation becomes 0 will be equal to A ln 1.5 plus B, and when T is equal to 100, the equation will be 100 A ln 7.5 plus B. So these two are the two equations. So you can solve the two simultaneous equations, right? Writing the two simultaneous equations and subtracting the second equation. So what do I get? B will get cancelled. So minus 100 will be equal to A ln 1.5 minus a ln 7.5. A is common. So ln 1.5 minus ln 7.5. So a will be equal to minus 100 divided by ln 1.5 minus 7.5. So if I solve this equation, so I will get the value of a as 62.3. Then in the first equation, if I substitute the value of a as 62.3 and t is 0, so I can find out the value of b. So I'll get the value of b as, it fetches me the value of b as minus 25.45. And the governing equation, in the governing equation, t is equal to a ln x plus b. If I substitute the value of a and b and x as 3.5, if I solve this equation, I'll get the value of t as 52.64. So in the next class, we'll take few more problems. Thank you.